Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12 volt and 2 USBs. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 77,603 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures. Then you have your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your truck. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, Pro Trailer backup controller, and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Moving down, you have another 12 volt here with 2 USBs and a little shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.